In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the confirmation email in Kit. This is the email your subscribers receive right after they sign up, asking them to confirm their subscription. Customizing it is important because it's often the very first impression of your brand in their inbox. A clear, friendly, on-brand confirmation email can increase your confirmation rate and help build trust right away. To get started, open Kit and head to the Grow section. From there, look for the option called Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your existing sign-up forms and landing pages live. Find the specific landing page or form whose confirmation email you want to update and click directly on its name to open its settings. Once you're inside that landing page or form, look toward the top right of the screen and click on Settings. This will open a panel where you can control different aspects of how that form behaves. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled Incentive. In Kit, the incentive is what's sent to people after they opt in, and that includes your confirmation email. On the incentive screen, look for the button that says Edit Email Content and click it. This opens the email editor for your confirmation email, and this is where the real customization happens. Start with the subject line. By default, it might say something like, Important, confirm your subscription. You can change this to better match your brand voice or to be more specific about what they're signing up for. For example, you might reference the lead magnet or newsletter name while still making it clear they need to confirm. Next, move down to the body text. Here you can edit the greeting and the instructions. Make it personal and straightforward. Greet your subscriber, remind them what they signed up for, and clearly explain that they need to click the button to confirm their subscription. You can also reassure them that they can unsubscribe at any time and keep the paragraphs short and easy to scan. Then, customize the button. Click on the Confirm Subscription button inside the editor. You'll be able to change the button text to something that fits your style, like Confirm My Spot or Yes, Subscribe Me, and you can adjust the color to match your brand. Make sure the button stands out visually so it's easy to spot. When you're happy with everything, scroll to the bottom of the email editor and click Save. After that, you'll be taken back to the main settings area. Be sure to click Save there as well so all your changes are fully applied. And that's it. You've now customized your confirmation email in Kit so it's clear, on brand, and ready to welcome new subscribers.